Nigga, as soon as they get a shower.
What you scared of?
I've been at work. I've been off all week. I had to work the first time. You come to fuck with me.
What you scared of?
I ain't scared of shit. Just let me be for a day.
I ain't
Nigga, rest, bro.
I ain't
bothering you. At work. I ain't gonna bother you tomorrow. Nothing, bro. I'm just saying, bro. Let a nigga be, bro.
I ain't bothering you.
Hell, let me help her take a shower.
Why you scared?
Hell. Ain't nobody scared. You just play too much.
What you think I'm trying to do?
I don't know. You dressed? Y'all in the shower with nigga and shit. What you want? Man, what you want?
You been on guard, huh?
Ain't got no choice.
Is you down?
No, I ain't down.
You down? You want me to stop getting you?
Get my other soap.
What soap?
This ain't even open.
What's in there? I might have put something in there.
Nah, ain't nothing in nothing. I ain't open that. You smell my shit. Why is you recording me in the shower, bro?
Might be putting some food. I might have put some in your food. I'm waiting on you to eat it.
Bro, come on, man. I ain't got time. I ain't had no Saturday steak in a while. You want to complain? Damn.
Oh, Lord Jesus.
You ain't got nothing better to do with your time, bro.
Is you clean?
Why? Why are you asking?
I want to see if you clean.
Wow.
I got to make sure.
I don't need you to make sure. Damn.
I ain't messing with you. I'm just looking at you.
Okay, but I'm in the shower, bro.
I know.
I ain't got nobody clothes on, bro. Hell yeah, like I'm in the shower with a goddamn with some shorts on or something.
We see your face all the time.
Damn. What you do? Man, stop looking.
Huh?
Right, come on, you using up all brother shampoo.
I ain't using up your shampoo.
Yes, you will.
No, I'm not. Just wash your head. Make sure it's clean.
It's gonna be clean. Hey, come on.
Make sure it's real clean now.
Bro, come on.
Wash your hair. You missed a spot in the bag. You missed a spot.
Bro. Get the fuck on. Fuck off. Ew.
You missed a spot right there.
Bro, come on, bro. Come on, bro. Please, I'm gonna get bro. Bro, I like to dry. Bro, come on.
Come on.
Oh, man.
You got another spot right there. Hold on. Let me help you.
Bro, come on.
You gotta get it right here, babe. Let me help you. Right here. Right here, babe.
Up, bro.
Right there.
Bro, I can't breathe, bro. Come on, man.
All right.
I already got no hair on my head, man.
All right, babe. You got it.
Bro.
You got it. I think you got it.
Keep playing.
You got it good that time.
Come on, man.
Team Tiana. Say Team Tiana.
Ooh.
Team Tiana. Team Tiana. Team Tiana. Team Tiana. Team Tiana. Team Tiana.
Chill out, man.
Team Tiana. Say Team Tiana.
I can't even
say Team Tiana.
I can't open my eyes. Hey, bro.
Team Tiana. I got his ass, y'all. Team Tiana, y'all hit the like button. How you feel?
What you mean, how I feel?
How you feel?
I'm gonna eat.
How you feel? Did I get you?
Nope.
I ain't get you? Huh? I ain't get you? Team Tiana. Team Tiana. Team Tiana. Team Tiana. Team Tiana. Team Tiana. Quit talking shit all the time. That's all right. Quit talking shit all the time. See, that's what made me gonna get you every time, because you talk too much shit. You don't even know. But your food is already in here fixed. That's your lunch for tomorrow. Your lunch for tomorrow. You hush. Because that's why your ass gonna stay on the video, because you fussified. Grumpy old man is what you is. Your food is already fixed. I fixed both our plates, y'all.
Man, what the hell?
I made some Salisbury steaks and gravy and
Don't look like
beans.
nothing but gravy.
That's my plate. I know not to put all that gravy on it. Well, you got a lot of gravy too. You supposed to say thank you. You over here snatching your shit and everything. See, ungrateful.
You know I appreciate you, baby. Thank you, baby, so much.
I'm gonna get your ass. See, y'all gonna see. That's what I'm trying to tell you. This attitude here, that's what gonna make me come get his ass every time because he fussified. He like a grumpy old man and like a damn baby at the same damn time. You gotta pick a struggle, sir. And I'll take the baby over this grumpy old man. But since you want to be that, I'm gonna let you show yourself to these folks on YouTube.
Where the caps at?
You hear me?
What? What, babe?
You gonna show yourself, sir. He think I'm playing, but I'm gonna get his ass, y'all.